Hello, this is Abhi from Treasure Clean. I'm here at a beautiful property in Forest today, in ACT. We'll be cleaning this pool pavers. You can see there's a lot of organic growth in between the grouts and black mould growing around. And yes, we're going to tidy up all these areas. And we'll be also cleaning up the water staining on top of the moulding there, as you can see, it goes around. A lot of stuff that's really bad. Even the coatings, a bit of black mold in here, so we're going to clean it, get it back to normal. All this organic growth again, and as you can see there, the water staining again on the mold in there. I will clean as well. All this terracotta tiles will clean and sealed. After this, all the black mold here, clean too. We'll be washing these beautiful brick pavers. These are Canberra Reds. Clean them up, bring them back, nice and good. And after this, we're going to clean this barbecue. I'll show you how it's going to look like once it's all done. Yeah. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hello, this is Abhi again. I just want to show you the final finished results of the pressure washing we did on this beautiful terrace way. They look amazing. All this was being dried. We got them back and we got all the organic nasties off, and they're looking beautiful. And then we go all the way around. It's just magnificent. We're just very happy about the results. We also took off the stainings at the top there, on the moulding that we saw before, and all these nasty stains here are all gone. So all the stains on this wall's all been taken off, as you can see. And also, as you can remember before, there's a lot of staining, the water staining over there. That's all gone. It's all it's looking beautiful. A bit more. It's we also cleaned those pavers that were dirty at the back. So all these pavers are beautifully cleaned. All the moss, the green moss and the black mold, they're all gone. As you can see here, it's all looking nice and new and fresh again. We also did, I didn't actually show in the first video, we also cleaned the moulding all around the house. As you can see there, it's all been beautifully cleaned, and all those, it's all nice and beautiful. We also cleaned the balcony for the client too. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. If you want the same results like this job, give us a call at 029 000 1133 or 0474 906 716. Thank you and bye now.